Okay, guys. Did you wonder na masyadong mainit sa labas, right? So, I may explain to you the journey of hot fudge. So, does everyone like hot fudge? Really? Meron ba tayo yun, Jeff? Okay. For Globe, it's hot priority to provide customer excellence customer service. And it's really a competitive advantage of each and everyone from different industries, whether it's telco or pharmaceutical or manufacturing. So in Globe, it's really our mission to provide customer a wonderful experience. And innovation should always be to solve critical customer problem. Meron kang ang innovation, it's not relevant naman sa customer. That's really not good. So there's no big or small projects as long as we always put customer in all our processes. In the center of our processes, it starts and it ends with customer. I'm very thankful that I have Jeff previously as our judge in our journey. So I kept on inventing things in Globe. So I'm from the Continual Service Improvement team of Globe Telecom. So we have this called the program, CSI program. So sumasali ako lagi yon every year. But it's fortunate that we have this kind of program that introduced us to Jeff as one of our judges in the CFC program. So talagang na-criticize ako on the first because I really don't know how to approach the solutions that I have in my mind and how to approach the critical customer concerns. So with Jeff Mejia as our partner, we came about with lots of solutions and how to systematically approach concerns. So hindi siya nanggagaling sa atin, kundi it's always coming from the customer. So small steps will lead to giant leaps. So yung journey ng team namin ng Hot Fudge, hindi siya nag-start talaga sa talagang malaking project. So nagsimula ako to clean up all the codes. So may mga telco or manufacturing or BPO na may concern regarding the mga outages or mga defects, etc., etc. But how you arrange the defects accordingly would mean discovering lots of things, lots of treasures. Sabi nga nila, basura yung concern na yan, hindi natin mapapakinabangan yung issue na yan. But you know, dito ako nakakuha ng gold.